Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix the Philips Hue bridge not connecting to the internet. First, check that the power adapter and Ethernet cable are firmly connected to the Hue bridge and your router. Now look at the three lights on the front of the Hue bridge. Here, the first light should be solid to show that the bridge has power. Next, check the second light. This light shows whether the bridge is connected to your network. After that, check the third light. This light shows whether the bridge is connected to the internet and Philips Hue cloud services. If the network or internet light is off, try plugging the Ethernet cable into a different port on your router. Then restart both your router and the Hue bridge. Unplug them from power for about 30 seconds and then plug them back in. Now wait a few minutes for the devices to reconnect. Next, make sure your phone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the Hue bridge. If your router has both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, connect your phone to the 2.4 GHz network. After that, open the Philips Hue app on your phone. Here, go to Settings and check for any available app or bridge updates. Then select Software Update and make sure Automatic Update is enabled. If the Hue bridge is still not connecting to the app, completely close the Hue app and open it again. You can also uninstall and reinstall the app if needed. Next, if you're having issues with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, or Google Home, open the Hue app and go to Settings. Then select Smart Home. Here, choose your smart assistant and follow the instructions to reconnect it to the Hue bridge. If nothing else works, you can perform a factory reset on the Hue bridge. Turn the bridge around and locate the small reset button on the back. Now use a paper or another pointed object and press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds. After that, watch the front lights blink to confirm the reset was successful. Once the reset is complete, set up the Hue bridge again and reconnect your lights and smart home services. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.